gentlemen, thank you so much for taking a moment to learn about the chaircart, a revolutionary delivery system for folding chairs that addresses the issues of handling the chairs with a strong concern for the rigors of our industry. Before I tell you about the benefits of the chaircart, and there are many, let me show you the product itself. This is the chaircart. This one is designed to hold 20 chairs. It's made of 2-inch channeled aluminum, all welded. The slats that hold the chairs are welded and riveted. And if you can see that on the bottom, 2-inch channeled aluminum. To that there are welded 1/4-inch plates to which the casters are attached. The casters, by the way, are 6-inch by 2-inch wide casters, so that the weight's distributed. You can push this through the grass, you can push it over the tree roots. Also, I want you to know that they're solid casters. They're not pneumatic, so there's no maintenance to this cart. You're never going to have to fill these things. With the conventional methods of transporting the chairs, whether they be bags or whether they be the conventional carts, the bags, if you use them, you know they're a nightmare. Stacking the chairs is better than nothing, but still, when you're handling the chairs or you're going through to clean the chairs in the warehouse, you got to go one by one. You got to unstack everything. With the chair cart, it is so simple. You just slide the chair in, and if you want to check the chair to see if it's clean, when they come back from rental, you're getting ready for the next rental, just slide it out. You can see the chair, inspect it, slide it right back in. If it takes this much time to handle the chairs when they come back in the bags, it takes that much time to handle the chairs when they're stacked like this, and it takes about that much time if you're using the chair cart. And quality control, if you want to come back and you want to keep tabs on things, if you're coming through your warehouse and you want to check your chairs for your chair department, you're not going to go through the bags and take them out and everything. It's too time consuming. You're not going to check this chair. But with the chair cart, it's no problem. You can check the bottom one as easy as the top one. You just slide it out, check it out, and put it back. Roll it back into place. We do have dust covers, vinyl covers with the 4 zippers available for these. My recommendation is just to use the disposable plastic covers. The vinyl ones are just something else for the driver to forget, something else to deal with. You put the disposable one over, it gets to the job, they throw it away, you're done with it. This is a huge time saver, a huge labor saver. It makes it a lot easier for your workers. It improves your quality control, and I urge you to consider buying one. Thank you for your kind attention. I hope we meet real soon by way of a purchase order.